You can see into the future. Yes, you've read that right, but let me explain what I mean by adding a bit of context. Last year was amazing for robotics, and we have seen a huge transition in both adoption and acceptance of the generalistic robots versus the super specific ones we had in the past. This year just started, and already Mr. Jensen dropped some huge news at CES for robotics, both in hardware and software launches. Now, hardware stuff was kind of expected. We got better everything, but the Cosmos news, that was what really shocked me. At first I listened, and although I have been doing robotics for quite a while now, the very first few minutes I could not wrap my head around it. I mean, how could video generation is gonna help me do anything at runtime on a robot? There are both diffusion models, which I'm under the impression are intended for the Isaac Sim suite for simulation, and the auto-regressive one, which my brain reads as auto-aggressive, and I'm trying to correct that. This is the interesting one, and it can be fed 9 frames of video to generate the next 24 ones. Yes, you can see into the future. So let's put it to a test and check out what Cosmos can do if we cut the video and ask it to imagine the rest. Will it have the common sense to understand the world around us? So I run the first 4 billion parameters smallish model on a few frames of the orange being pushed towards the end of the table to see what's going to happen. Are you ready? But wait, there's also a 12 billion parameters model as well. Amazing. Let's try liquids. First, the smaller model. At this point, I was kind of expecting this. The water will continue to flow. Okay, good. I'm already excited for the larger 12 billion parameters model. Wow, the water accumulates as it flows. Amazing, amazing. I'm very excited for the opportunities this provides me and my team as robot builders, and will put this to full use once the nano models are launched. Subscribe if you want to see that, or to keep track of all things robotics and see the Zalmotech team actually building them.